Hello, good morning. Today I would like to inform you about how to introduce yourself. Yeah, it's a big problem for most of the students and most of the people. They feel quite hesitate and quite difficult to introduce themselves to other people, and it is the common problem for most of the people living in the village or living in the some city areas also. So first of all, you should think that you should introduce with bold in a strong way and provide your name. There are various tips and tricks to give the names. Some of the techniques I am going to mention today here. First of all, if you are going to say your name, you can say my name's and your first name and last name. For example, my name's Balram Sir. Myself, Balram Sir. It's me, Balram Sir. Yes, I am Balram Sir. My full name is Balram Sir. My first name is Balram and my last name or my family name is Balram. It's Sir, like this, My first name is Balram and my family name is Sir. So like this, when you speak yourself, introduce that what you do, yes, where you are from. For example, I'm from Kalika Municipality, Ward number 5, Padampur, Chitwan, in Bagmati province of Nepal, like this. Give your information in detail. Don't worry. If you are speaking about yourself, that is important. If you're going for facing the interview, they will ask you about explain yourself. So you can give your name, you can give your address, and what are you doing right now. Yes, if you are studying, you can say I'm studying. If you are walking somewhere, you can keep by saying I'm walking right now somewhere. Yes, if you are living in the same place since long, you can say I'm the permanent resident of this place. Yes, if you are immigrant of next place, then you can say my permanent address is and I am currently living in the place of the current your address. So when you are speaking, when you are giving your introduction, don't keep problems and always introduce yourself in a confident way. Yes, do it smiling and keep your face charming, and always remember that you are going to speak in English. Yes, and you are going to make yourself well presented for your speaking. And this is very important in life, because every day and every situations we can face sometime that we should introduce. And if you are not well prepared in the beginning, then if we give suddenly our introduction, we feel hesitate and we feel blank, what should I say. So always remember that introducing yourself is very, very crucial in life, and that is important to learn how to introduce yourself. Thanks for watching. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.